Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to write a JavaScript program, maybe with a topic, all right? So here we are going to write a program for a temperature converter, all right? So as you know that we, in our daily life, we have our temperature measured in two different scales. The first one, which is the Celsius degree, in Chinese, which is 攝氏溫度. And also we have the Fahrenheit degree, and the Fahrenheit, which means 華氏溫度 in Chinese, all right? And actually we can do the conversion by using this formula to do the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa, all right? So a very simple program. The first exercise I would like you guys to follow, which is the exercise right here. To start with, I would like you guys to try to make a program to convert the Celsius degree temperature into Fahrenheit degree temperature. So for for this point, we're just talking about convert the temperature in one way. So what we get is the Celsius temperature, and then I want you guys to convert the Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit temperature. All right, and here I give some variable name, so I would like you guys to understand. So you can see the Cel temp means the Celsius temperature, and then the Fa temp means the Fahrenheit temperature. All right. And the program is quite easy. First of all, what you need to do is to input the temperature, Celsius temperature. And then after the program, after the process, and then you will have the Fahrenheit temperature. All right. So let's go back to the JavaScript editor to try it, start from 0. All right. So I would like to go through with you guys. So would you please have your second device and open the wfreeschools.com and have the JavaScript platform ready. All right. So right now we have a simple program like this. So first of all, I would like you guys to define the variable for Celsius temperature. So I am going to write Cel temp. So be careful when we are going to type the variable name. Always bear in mind that they are case sensitive. So capital letter is capital letter, small letter refers to small letter. Okay, right now, let's say I'm going to convert the Celsius temperature like 37.5, right? And I would like to convert this value into Fahrenheit temperature, okay? So let's see what can we do. So next we need to assign another variable, Fahrenheit temperature, all right? So we don't give it a value at the very beginning. So let's try to see what happened right here. And then what we need to do is to do the conversion. Fahrenheit temperature can be converted by this formula, Celsius temperature times 9/5 plus 32. Let's see if we can do it. Celsius temperature times 9/5 and then plus 32. All right. And then we can get the value of Fahrenheit temperature by this very simple statement. Let's see what happened. Okay, right now we can get the value, which is 99.5. And this value is actually the value of the Fahrenheit temperature degree after the conversion of a Celsius temperature, 37.5. But will it be not very good in the interface for this program? Because actually the user will know nothing about this page. So what can we do to make it better? I would say we can do something like this. We can give more text here, give more lines to show like this. Celsius temperature is right now 30. Oh, or you may write in this way so that you don't need to type it. Okay, so temperature. All right, so we can run it. Okay, and then we need to give it a line break. If you don't remember the meaning of line break, you can go back to video. All right, so we have this completed, right? And for the next line, I would say this may be better. Paper. Right, so let's see if I got the correct spelling. All right, so right now you can see the program will be more clear because I can show the value right here, but it will be would it be a problem with the program when you work with, because when we need to do the conversion, we need to type the value directly. It's right here. Okay, so I think for this case, we are lacking of an interface to let the user to input the temperature value. So what can we do before we go on to talk about have another user interface? I would like to invite you guys to try to do the rest of the program, because you know in right now we can just do the conversion in one way. May I invite you to try to make a program right here, all right, or you can do some modifications so that you can do the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and also Fahrenheit back to Celsius. Let's see if you can complete it. All right, this is your task for this video. So I'm going to share with you the answer in next video. All right, so first of all, just build more program, build some script, and try to try to add some scripts so that you can convert the Fahrenheit temperature back to Celsius. Right now, and this time we are going to talk more about the interface. All right, let me know if you have any questions. See you next time.